In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads display campaigns using a secret structure employed by top companies. Let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of your advertising budget by tapping into Google's vast network. First, we need to head over to the Google Ads website, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL ads.google.com. This is your main hub for creating and managing Google Ads, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need to connect with potential customers. Once the website loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. If you're not yet signed into your Google account, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you haven't set up a Google Ads account yet, you'll be prompted to do so, and that's a quick process you can follow on screen. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home. From here, locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where the magic happens. Campaigns are the backbone of your advertising efforts. They organize your ads according to particular goals. Next, you'll want to click on New Campaign. This button will guide you into the process of designing a fresh campaign tailored to your objectives. As you'll see, Google provides various goals, but for the purpose of today's video, let's focus on web traffic. This option is ideal if your priority is to drive more users to your website, increasing visibility and potential customer interaction. After you select web traffic, simply click on the Continue button and you'll move forward in setting up your new campaign. At this stage, you'll have several options, but our focus will be on creating a display campaign. Why a display campaign, you ask? Because these ads offer the flexibility of graphics, meaning you can create visually engaging content that holds the potential to capture user attention across millions of websites within the Google Display Network. Select Display from the list of options, and you're on your way to designing an interactive and eye-catching ad experience. Google Display ads are particularly effective if you aim to reach a wider audience through their browsing activities. It's truly a powerful approach when executed with precision. As we wrap up the setup, keep in mind that crafting a successful ad requires more than just following steps. It's about understanding your audience and tailoring your message to meet their needs. Take some time to explore different strategies and continuously optimize your campaign to ensure optimal performance. And there you have it. A structured approach to setting up a Google Ads display campaign that top companies use to reach and engage with their audiences. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough incredibly helpful. Happy advertising,